Well, hello there and good morning everyone. This is Zach Harris here from the School of Financial Education, and today is the 30th of January, coming up to the end of this month, and time is 9:15, which is a Britain time, London time, 9:15. Markets opened just over an hour ago. So today's the day, Monday's the day when we do all the analysis. So I'm going to show you a couple of currency pairs that we're watching it closely, and some pairs that we already gotten involved based on last week's analysis. So I'm going to jump right in and I'm going to show you first of all USD versus JPY. As you can see here, we have looked at this pair last week. We all know on the right hand side we have got the prices. On the bottom of the chart we have got the months and the time frame. So since we already discussed last week that this pair has a bullish trend, as you can see here is a trend line and is a fairly sharp trend as well. Like, it hasn't given us any price retracements or any pullbacks from the November last year till up to just a couple of weeks ago. Now after that we had a very strong resistance level. This pair created a resistance level at the price of 118.181, took a turn, dropped a bit, and then after that we were dropping and we got a reversal bar, which is on the 18th of the 1st 2017. We got this green bullish reversal bar that indicates us that the markets are gonna rise back up. But then after that we didn't get involved last Monday, which was, I think I was fairly sure was 23rd of January, last Monday, when I was analyzing markets. We said we have to test that support level. Now we have the support level at the price of 112.54. see if it's gonna break below that point or it's gonna bounce from that price. So what exactly happened is the bounce from that price on Tuesday, which was on the 24th of January 2017, and after that we got a bullish signal, means USD is rising back up. So yeah, we did place our trade. So based on last week's analysis, and now we're up in around 150 pips. So it is going good at the moment. Our exit strategy would be in around the price of 118.181. once it hit that price, which should hit it in next couple of weeks time, we will be getting out. Now again, before I actually jump onto the next pair, I would like to say that if we see any reversal trend before that price, we will get out. At the same time, we're waiting for another day or two on a bullish bar. If it closes in at the price of 115 or 116, around that price in between next 2 days, we will move our stop loss, which is our risk management tool. We use a stop loss feature onto our entry level, so our trade will be completely protected. So as we discussed previously last week, that USD should take a turn, bounce from there, and it did, and now it's on its way up. So this is one of the trades we've involved in. Now let's jump on to our FTSE 100 index and see what's happening with that. Now we are looking at FTSE 100 chart. As we all know, at the start of December, the FTSE took a turn and it started rising, broke its previous resistance levels. We already discussed last week's analysis, and now it's took a turn and given us some price retracement. It's given us some sort of pullback, and at the moment FTSE took a turn there on the 17th of the 1st, and then after that we did get involved on FTSE to go down. However, we are in profit of lately about just over 100 points at the moment. Now the next price barrier we have is on 70.95. We already discussed last week as well. 70.95 is our previous price resistance that that is now acting as a support level. As you can see, this blue line there, 70.95. If it does break through, it will go, the next level would be 7,000. So obviously we're hoping to hit in around 7,000 and then take a turn, or maybe drop even below and then take a turn to rise back up. However, we are keeping a close eye at the moment. We are in profit, but more likely we will be closing our trade in next over the week or so. Okay guys, so let me jump into euro versus GBP. So we are looking at euro versus GBP. Overall trend is up, bullish trend, but however it's kind of making its range in between 0.8343 to 0.90, but now it took a turn a little bit earlier. It could be just a price retracement. This is another market that we are watching fairly closely, and we see, because it's a bullish market, we see if it's gonna actually kept on rising or it's gonna drop back down. So within a week or so we will know what kind of signal we would get. Ideally we like to get involved at the price of in around 0.8343, and if it takes a turn there, we will have a gap of 400 pips, and that 400 pips would be roughly about maybe 15 to 20% profit. So that's how we like to trade, because it would be a very small stop loss, like maybe a stop loss of 2, 3, 4% maximum, in order to gain 15 to 20%. So that's sort of a risk and reward ratio. If we get that, we will be getting involved on euro versus GBP as well. So this is this week's analysis, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. Have a great day and wish you all the best.